So I'm so excited. I'm here right now in Battery Park City, which is in downtown Manhattan. We're actually standing on reclaimed land. This area, this neighborhood, was actually part of the Hudson River. And a couple of decades ago, the city reclaimed this land to make a whole new neighborhood called Battery Park City. Today, we're going to be looking at a beautiful high-floor 2-bedroom at one of Manhattan's best buildings, the Visionaire. So the Visionaire is located at 70 Little West Street in downtown Manhattan. It was built about 10 years ago. The top 4 floors are integrated solar panels in the building. There's a water filtration system in the building, so you get clean, filtered water, and there's also filtered air that gets pumped into the apartments. So as far as a LEED Platinum level building, this is the creme de la creme of eco-friendly buildings in the East Coast. So we're in this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 1,300 square foot apartment at the Visionaire. We're actually at the corner of the building. The building is shaped as a sail, so you'll see there's 2 separate exposures of the apartment. But before we see that, let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. So here we are in the master bedroom. The master bedroom is generous in size. Right now it has 2 side tables, a separate armoire. The master bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom. This luxurious marble bathroom. As you can see, there's a stall shower and a tub. This large countertop, great for use, for storing things on top while you go into the bathroom. And this tea cabinetry as well. This is a really well done bathroom that I would actually use, and you could use it with 2 people in it at the same time. Past the kitchen, down by the entrance, is this long gallery space. You can put photos of family, you can put art that really inspires you. But on the other wing of the apartment, there's a second bedroom. The second bedroom had been transformed into a children's room. There was actually 2 girls living in this bedroom, and it's really playful. One of the girls was on this bunk bed upstairs, the other one slept downstairs. I mean, it's really fun, beautiful, and it has this nice open Manhattan view, including some water view, and its own closet as well. So in New York City, space is limited. Every single square foot costs a lot of money. But this apartment actually utilized a lot of space and really maximized it. In the entrance of this apartment, you have the second bathroom, which is generous with a tub, storage behind the mirror. And then around the corner, there is an entry closet and even a laundry room. In a 2-bedroom apartment in New York City, that is so unusual, but they really tried to think about the kind of buyers or people that live in the apartment and what they would need to use it properly. So now we're about to enter into my favorite space of the apartment, the living dining open concept. But before we do, please take a moment to subscribe to my page. It lets me know that you are interested in stories like this. So let's take a look, come on. Here you have this generous open kitchen with river stone wash countertops, bamboo cabinetry throughout, which has a lot of storage. This overhang for bar stools. Imagine having your friends over, family over, you're cooking, entertaining, and that's what I would use this space for. Here, on this side of the kitchen, you have integrated cabinetry, you have a pantry, this microwave that's secretly stored inside. This vents out so you can cook and it doesn't smell the apartment. Convection oven. I mean, there's just so much storage throughout. Look at this integrated refrigerator with freezer and ice maker built in. I mean, I love it. Oh, and look at this. The owner left me something to drink. I hope you'll join me. I do like a little bourbon. Cheers. That's good. All right, so let's look at the best part of this building. We're currently standing at the corner of the Visionaire, which is shaped as a sail. So you have 2 different exposures. You have the Hudson River, which is facing west, and on the east side, you have Wall Street, downtown Manhattan. And right at the end of the building, you see this beautiful exposure of the World Trade Center and the World Trade Center site. Imagine when it's raining, it's nighttime, it's snowing. You have all kinds of views that are changing consistently, and that is what makes this building so special. This is what a $2 million view looks like in downtown Manhattan. Can you see yourself living in a modern residence like this? Let me know in the comments below.